Started back in the 80s, of course, and went on since then. Apprentices or cooks or chefs can show their skills in front of other chefs and have fun with it and have some bragging rights. And it's not just about the competition, it's about pushing yourself forward.
It's a testament to them putting themselves out there and taking that risk, looking at how far you've actually grown from when you first started training, and being open to the critique and criticism that you get, and opening yourself up to failure.
I was really nervous in the beginning, but I think once you get into the flow, I think you kind of feeling pretty good. I think, yeah.
Now the moment you've been waiting for, and the winner from the Fairmont Pacific Rim, Ottis! Yay! Congratulations!
I feel pretty good. Seeing the competitors when we first came in, I never really know what to expect. So yeah, there was really strong groups. Competition's the best way to better yourself. If you want to be the best at anything, competing is the way to go. And I think if you want to be the best in your field, then competing against everybody else who wants to be the best makes you better.